What if I told you that doing just 10 push-ups every day could completely transform your body? Not 100, not 50, just 10 every single day. It might sound too simple to be true, but the power of transformation lies not in intensity, but in consistency. Most people underestimate how small habits, when performed daily, can snowball into powerful life changes. Doing 10 push-ups a day is more than just a workout. It's a signal to your mind and body that you're committing to growth, discipline, and strength. Your body doesn't care if you train for 2 hours once a week. It cares that you move every day. That repetition, that daily motion, begins to condition your muscles, boost your metabolism, enhance posture, and sharpen your mental edge. Push-ups are one of the most effective compound exercises, engaging your chest, shoulders, triceps, back, core, and even your glutes and legs, meaning you're hitting multiple muscle groups with just one movement. Each rep strengthens your upper body while training your core to stabilize and support. Most people don't realize how effective push-ups are at building abs. Proper push-up form forces your core to stay tight, stabilizing your spine and engaging your abdominal muscles throughout the entire range of motion. Over time, this leads to a stronger, more defined midsection. And beyond aesthetics, daily push-ups counteract the damage caused by our sedentary lifestyles. Sitting for long periods leads to rounded shoulders and poor posture. Push-ups help realign your upper body by strengthening the muscles that pull your shoulders back and keep your spine upright. And let's not forget how push-ups stimulate blood flow and cardiovascular health. Even 10 push-ups raise your heart rate slightly, activate your respiratory system, and increase circulation, which improves oxygen delivery to your muscles and brain. This improves not just your physical health, but your mental sharpness as well. Consistency with push-ups builds discipline, which then spills into every other area of your life. Starting each day with 10 push-ups becomes a mental cue, a daily win, proof that you're in control. Even when motivation fails, that tiny habit reinforces your identity, someone who shows up no matter what. And while the reps stay the same, your strength increases. In just a few weeks, those 10 reps will feel easy. You'll push yourself to do 12, then 15, then 20. Not because you have to, but because you can. That's progression, and it's how transformation truly begins. Your muscles begin to tone, your endurance grows, your metabolism speeds up. You burn more calories at rest. Push-ups help build lean muscle mass, and muscle is metabolically active, meaning your body begins to burn more fat even while sleeping. And because push-ups are so simple and require no equipment, they're accessible anywhere, at home, in a hotel, in a park, or your office. That flexibility means there are zero excuses. You can do push-ups in the morning, during lunch, or right before bed, just 30 seconds a day. That's all it takes to keep the momentum alive. And if you're a beginner, don't worry. You can start with wall push-ups, incline push-ups, or knee push-ups, modifying the move until you build enough strength for standard push-ups. Over time, your form improves, your reps increase, and your posture corrects. You'll begin to feel taller, lighter, more energized. You'll notice your chest becoming more defined, your arms thicker, your shoulders broader. Even your abs will look tighter and flatter as your core strength improves. And these physical changes will start to shift your confidence, the way you carry yourself, the way you speak, even the way others perceive you. People will start noticing, and that's just the physical side. Push-ups also offer profound emotional benefits. Movement triggers the release of endorphins, your brain's natural feel-good chemicals, which help fight anxiety, reduce stress, and elevate mood. Just 10 push-ups can interrupt a negative thought spiral, shake off a bad day, or kickstart a productive one. They can be your anchor when life feels chaotic, a small act of control in an unpredictable world. And for men especially, push-ups also help boost testosterone levels, the hormone responsible for muscle growth, fat regulation, confidence, and energy. Strength training like push-ups helps regulate hormones and keeps your body youthful and balanced. But like anything, worthwhile, form matters. Don't rush your reps. Avoid letting your hips sag, flaring your elbows out, or shortening your range. Slow, controlled push-ups with full depth offer far more benefit than fast, sloppy ones. Breathe with each rep. Inhale down, exhale up. Make every push-up count. And if you miss a day, that's okay. Just don't miss two. The key to success isn't perfection, it's persistence. One missed day doesn't ruin your progress, but quitting does. Show up the next day even stronger. The longer you stay consistent, the more natural it becomes. It becomes part of your identity. You're not someone who does push-ups. You're someone who never skips them. And if 10 gets easy, level up. Try diamond push-ups to target your triceps more. Try decline push-ups with your feet elevated. Try explosive clapping push-ups to develop power. You can adjust the difficulty infinitely using nothing but your own body weight. And the results? In 1 week, you'll feel sore but awakened. In 1 month, your strength improves and you'll start seeing muscle tone. In 2 months, your arms, shoulders, and chest will visibly change. In 3 months, your posture, strength, and confidence will be on another level. You'll have created a new body and a new mindset. 1 push-up at a time, you'll stand in front of the mirror and recognize someone you built from scratch. With no gym, no trainer, no special gear, just your body, your discipline, your will. So let this be your call to action. Stop waiting for the perfect plan or the perfect time. You don't need a subscription. You don't need equipment. You just need 30 seconds and the decision to begin. 10 push-ups every day. That's it. And in time, you'll discover it was never just about the push-ups. It was about who you became because of them. Stronger, sharper, more confident, more consistent, and absolutely transformed.